Hey guys, welcome into Lemons to Lemonade. My name is Kara and we're a furniture flipping business located deep in the heart of Texas. I'm out in the garage today organizing and deciding which furniture product to flip next, and I thought what a great time to show you guys my top 5 most wanted, most sellable furniture flipping items. So let's take a look around my garage and count down from number 5. Our number 5 most wanted item is by far desks. Doesn't seem to matter what kind of desk it is, as long as it is a smaller version and it doesn't have the top part to it. Desks sell like crazy. With everyone working from home this last year, kids doing school at home, desks sell really well. And a lot of people want their desks that they have at home customized, so they're a great option if you're just getting into furniture flipping to start painting for somebody, because a lot of people have old desks just like this one that they're looking to have redone. Number 4 most desired item that I find is nightstands. Nightstands are great because they can be used as nightstands or end tables, which is a big plus. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1. So somebody could like them for their bedroom or they could like them for their TV room. So you've got 2 places that you could sell these that people would want them for. So nightstands are a great, easy, small item to get into flipping furniture, and they will sell really quick. Number 3 on my list has got to be kitchen tables. Kitchen tables, if you can do them, are killer for profit. There are so many kitchen tables for sale that are for a really good price. There are so many kitchen tables out there that people want to have redone and are willing to pay for you to do them. So kitchen tables, we have flipped so many kitchen tables over this past year. They are money makers. The hardest thing about kitchen tables, the chairs. They take forever to paint if you're going to hand paint them. So I highly recommend, if you are wanting to flip kitchen tables, you're going to have to get yourself a spray gun of some sort. Whether you pick up the Wagner one at Home Depot or Lowe's, or you do something where you get like the HVLP gun like we have from Arbor Freight. All those options work great, but if you're going to flip kitchen tables with chairs, it'll help you out a lot in the long run. Okay guys, number 2 on my list, actually this is my personal favorite to do, media cabinets. There are so many kinds of things that could be considered media cabinets these days. It takes a little bit of looking, especially on Facebook Marketplace, but you can find something that someone will want to turn into their media cabinet. So here I actually have 4 examples that we've picked up from auctions recently that can be used as media cabinets. So the first one that is my absolute die-hard favorite, I cannot wait to flip this guy, is the Duncan Fife. So this is a buffet, very early, very vintage Duncan Fife buffet. It's in great shape inside. It needs a little bit of help on the outside. It has some chips to it, but it's going to be a really, really fun piece to flip. So stay tuned to our channel. Be sure to like and subscribe because this guy is coming up very soon. The next one I really cannot wait to get my hands on is this one right here. This is so fun and funky, and fun, funky pieces are really fun to find and flip. People like them a lot. So you can see I'm already messing around with what colors I want to paint this guy. I am going to turn it into a bar cart. I already bought the things for the inside to hold the wine glasses. So this guy's coming up too. And I just want to hear from you guys. I've got 4 totally awesome media cabinets sitting around. Which one do you guys want to see us flip next? I really want to hear your comments as to what you want to see coming up, because these guys are definitely coming up on the channel. These are going to be great flips. I'm excited to get into them. All right, guys, it's time for number 1. You've hung around all this time. What's the number 1 thing that we flip out of this garage for profit? It has got to be bedroom dressers. Bedroom dressers, especially ones that look fun and funky like this one, flip really, really well if you can find something really cool to do with them. So again, bedroom dressers flip well because they can be used for a few different things. Obviously, they can be used as bedroom furniture, but a lot of people are putting these also in their media rooms and using them for TV cabinets or media cabinets, or they're also using them in their dining rooms to hold china and pieces and things like that. So they're really versatile these days. They don't just have to stay in the bedroom anymore. They can be used for a ton of things. They're easy to update. This guy's going to get a complete makeover. The handles are going to go, things like that. I'm going to do that with this one for sure on our YouTube channel, so be sure to like and subscribe to watch me flip this guy. But for sure, number one thing has got to be dressers. So I've got one in the process right now that I want to show you. I'm super excited. If you follow us over on Instagram, you've already seen a little bit of this guy. He is a labor of love. It's taken me a long time to work on this one, and he will also have a video coming out really soon. But I finally found myself a waterfall dresser. Oh, look how pretty he is. We've been working really hard on this guy. He's taken a lot of love, but he's almost done. I'm going to poly this guy up today. I'm hoping to have him listed on Facebook by tomorrow morning. Hopefully if all goes well and he dries really well overnight, I can get him up and listed to sell for this weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can watch all these flips, because I picked up some really fun pieces this week and I'm excited to show you all what we do with them and how we flip them. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time on Lemons to Lemonade.